I really love Iman's vlog, man. I know many of you have big goals, but you actually don't know how to visualize them, and this makes you feel demotivated. This is as important as following discipline. So, don't worry if you don't know. I got you. In this video, I'll be explaining how this law of attraction, you can say, or visualization works. Let's not just mess around and start the video. I know many of you guys are thinking that why would I even believe this 16-year-old who is not himself achieved anything yet, who is not himself a millionaire? That's your choice. And the first point is that you should have a goal and not a wish. And second step, write that goal on a piece of paper. This seems a little simple, but it's very hard because most of you don't know what your goal is, you don't know what you want to do. So, identify your goal and write that on a piece of paper. Now, if you are done writing your goal on paper, again take a piece of paper. Yeah, and on that, write something about your goal in present tense. Like if your goal was to become a millionaire, you should write something, I am very happy, I am living my dream life. Now I am going to buy my dream cars and stuff like that. After writing your goal, write sentences in present tense which directly relates to your goal in future. That's the step number 2. The third and the last step is read those points or sentences twice a day. Once when you wake up and once when you go to bed or before going to bed. This is not a simple reading. Don't read it like a speech. No. Now let me tell you some things which you have to keep in mind when you read. First, as you are reading, feel, visualize what you are reading. Try to mix emotion in that. Okay? Don't just keep reading. Visualize it. Try to visualize. Mix emotion in that. Have faith in what you are reading. Believe it. That's how it will work. And time by time, you will become better in it. You will be visualizing it throughout the day because it will be in your subconscious mind. Alright? As I mentioned earlier, visualizing is as important as following discipline because a time comes when your will breaks and you are fucked up. You break your discipline, but if you keep visualizing, it will give you an internal motivation not to give up. When you will feel like you are not doing anything, you are not getting anything, your mind will try to give up. And this visualization will tell you that no, you cannot do this. This is not for you. So it will work as an internal motivation which will come from inside, from your brain. And this is the importance of visualizing your goals. Don't take it as it's light that it is not of any use. It is so important. You will come to know when you will apply it by yourself. Just got the haircut done. Tell me in the comments if I'm looking good or not. So, let's get back to the topic. The more you visualize, the more you get closer to your goals. This is the reason why I was watching Iman's vlog, because I was visualizing myself in the place where is he now. Those destinations where he goes, I visualize myself there. I'm 100% sure that at first time you won't believe it. You will think that this is shit, this is of no use. But when you will keep doing that, repeating that, being consistent in reading those, you will come to know its value. You will find yourself how important it is if you really want to do something. Being a 16-year-old who has not achieved anything himself in his life, I won't think that you guys would follow my advice at all. But I am saying you guys, please try it. This is the best way. you will come to know how benefit it is when you will actually be doing it. So the video is almost done. Let me again tell you all those things in short time. First, know your goal. Second, write it down on a paper. Third, write some sentences related to your goal in present tense, like I am buying my cars, I really love this life, I'm enjoying this. Fourth, read that twice a day. First, when you wake up, and second, when you go to bed or before going to bed. And keep this in mind. When you read, mix all your emotions in that. Okay? Don't just read. Feel it, believe it, see in your mind. Have faith in what you are reading. That's the best way to visualize yourself. So, I hope you guys get it. And if you enjoyed the video, if you have learned something, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and comment W if you are logged in.